Talaga. Okay, Lynn, can you see teacher screen?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here, Lynn, what we call possessive pronouns. These possessive pronouns are used to replace the nouns that we are using, okay? We don't
Okay.
say the name of a person, name of an animal or a thing, but we simply use these possessive pronouns. If we say possessive pronouns, it refers to ownership of the person. So we have here the subject nouns. What are examples of subject nouns, Lynn? We have I,
I,
what else?
you,
he.
he, she, it, we, you, they.
Okay. How about possessive pronouns?
Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, ours, your, theirs.
Okay. Now these are what we call possessive pronouns. So it depends on how you're gonna use these words. Okay. So here, Lynn, I want you to look at the picture, read a sentence, and write the number of the picture. For example, I have here 3 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to understand the given sentence and then write what picture number does it belong. For example, this is a boat. Which picture there shows a boat? Picture number?
She.
Okay, good. Picture 3. Now, Lynn, I want you to do 2, 3, and 4. Go. Okay,
Finish.
okay. What is number 2? This is a cat. Picture number?
Picture number 4.
Okay, very good. Next, number 3.
This is a robot. Picture 1.
Okay, we have, this is a robot. Picture 1, correct. Number 4. This is a teacher. Picture number?
Picture number 2.
Perfect. Okay, there you go. You got the correct answers in this. So easy. Okay, so here, Lynn, look at here. Which one here says goodbye? What picture, Lynn, says goodbye? Picture number?
Picture number 1 and 3.
Okay, 1 and 3. How about picture that shows thank you?
Picture number 2 and 4.
All right, 2 and 4 are correct. Okay, now look at here, Lynn. I want you to write his, hers, or theirs. Okay, for example,
Okay.
this is his dog. This dog is his. Go.
Just a minute.
Okay, Lynn, please read.
The flowers are his.
Next.
The cat is the horse is here.
Okay, number 1. The flowers are his. The correct answer, Lynn, is it's not his, but it's hers. Because look at the picture, Lynn. The boy gave the flower to the teacher. It says, these are yours. So, who's the owner of the flowers now? Is it still the boy? It's not. It's already the teacher who is a girl. Next, number 2. The cat is his, correct? Because this man gave the cat already to this little boy. And number 3, the boat is theirs. Correct. Because there it's more than one. Okay. Now here, Lynn. Okay, here. Oh, you cannot listen. All right, Lynn, look at here. I want you to look at the picture, Lynn, and answer the given question, okay? Lynn, look at here. Are these people in the park or in the station? What do you think?
Yes.
Are these people, Lynn, in the park or at the station? The people are,
It's
where are the people? They are in the
The station.
In the station. Very good. Next, here. How many people are there in the picture? Come on, Lynn. How many people?
Uh, 15 people.
Okay, good. Next here. Who's on the train, Lynn? Look at the picture carefully. Who's on the train?
The woman.
It's the woman. Correct. Now here, Lynn, I want you to draw lines between the two sentences about the person in picture letter A. For example, this young man is holding a present. Oh, where is that? He's standing in front of the burger store. Okay? So, Lynn, you're going to connect the first sentence to the second sentence. Go. Draw a line. Hello, Lynn. Not yet done? This person is holding a man's arm. So, finish. Done, Lynn. Unmute your mic, Lynn. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, number 2. The woman is giving a burger to a small boy. What number is that? Oh, it's letter D, Lynn. Look at here. Oh, she's got a long brown hair and is wearing pink trousers. Next, number 3. This man is waving goodbye to his grandmother. Correct. Letter A, he's standing next to the train. 4, this man has got a red bag. It's open and some clothes and 2 bottles are on the ground. Okay, letter F, correct. He's wearing a gray jacket and a brown shoes. Next, this old man is listening to a young boy and he's wearing glasses. Correct, letter G. Next, this person is holding a man's arm. It's B. He's wearing a skirt and a boot. This one. Skirt and a boot. Next, this woman has got 2 bags. And letter E is wearing a pink t-shirt. Okay, not bad, Lynn. You're able to do 50% of this correct answer. All right, so Lynn, it's already time. So that would be all for today because teachers still have another class. Goodbye, Lynn. See you next time. Bye-bye. Goodbye,
Goodbye, teacher.
Lynn.
See you again.
See you again.